What? 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 Good news! I have a different product, and this time it has food in it. And it has 3 grams of protein. Awesome. Come on, Nacho. Oh no, he's in that evil, vicious mood again. No, I do not know why. I love chicken noodle soup. I mean, who doesn't? Chicken noodle soup is good, except for vegetarians. Okay, here we go. Nacho's in the vicious mirror. What? He's examining. Oh! He's examining the mirror. He's examining the mirror again and again. And the candle is quite excited like the fork. Nacho. Oh, he's gonna barf.
He's gonna throw up for the camera. He's gonna throw up for the camera.
Nacho.
Come on, come on.
Throw up, throw up, throw up. That's one cute bird in that mirror, Nacho.
Oh, here he goes. It's gonna. Oh, never mind. Okay, one more time. Come on, Nacho. You can do it.
You want it.
You can do it.
It looks like pink frozen lemonade, and it looks good.
Come on, Nacho.
Shocker.
Sometime today, Nacho.
Nacho, 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 Nacho.
Here he goes. Oh, darn it.
You know if he barfs on you, that means he likes you?
Yep.
It's kind of unusual. Look at that tongue. Camel's chicken noodle soup. It's quite excited.
You said that already.
Oh, here you go, Nacho. Here's the camera, and here's